25-inch wingspan, weighs 15 pounds. It has dual throttles in it, so one throttle works one wing, one throttle works the other. Wheel brakes, wing flaps, and Blue Angel paint scheme. You left the dado bottles off this thing, so it's not going to do any further take off. Okay, notice the wheel brakes in action. Now right now the full scale is popping the dado bottle on at night down at Dearmark. Yeah. Nice takeoff, give him a hand. Now the object of this whole thing is to keep all four engines running till it lands. C-130 is a short fuel capable airplane. I don't know how many of you have been down to Miramar, but the night show down there, generally Fat Albert takes off with all 8 dado bottles. If you've seen that, you've watched a little over $30,000 worth of dado bottles go up for takeoff. This is America, we can afford it. That's our 40 size. Each one is 4/10 of a cubic inch, which is actually much smaller than most of the other engines that we use out here today. But when you put the four of them together, you notice the harmonics and how neat they sound together. There's quite a number of heart strings in your 2 or 4 engines running in unison. Speaking of Miramar Air Show, it's going to be 18th, 19th, and 20th of October this year, so mark that on your calendar. And for those of you that want a tip on it, you don't want a scale paint scheme if they don't make the right color monochrome for you, buy clear, you dye it in the wrist, blue strokes up the color. C-130, Dick Stoglin from Lancaster. Come in for touch and door landing. Nice one, Jake. Flat down. And the wheel brake. Okay, the next airplane up